What are some common things you use every day? Maybe a kitchen sink, a car, or even something as basic as a door. Chances are you come in contact with multiple things created by a CNC machine on a daily basis without even knowing it. But wait, what is a CNC machine? Glad you asked. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Controlled. From setup to operation, these machines make parts from materials such as metal, wood, and plastic. They cut, grind, drill, and transform materials into something new. Now, these machines don't run themselves. It takes a specially trained machinist to check and make sure the machine is working properly, producing quality parts, and making sure that the machine is working as efficiently as possible. So, how do you become a CNC machinist? Typically, it takes 4 to 5 years to meet the requirements, and the preparation is a balance between education and on-the-job training, which gives newcomers the best of both worlds. You can go to a community college, technical college, find an apprenticeship, or even go to a vocational school to get the proper training to become a CNC machinist. As with any other trade or craft, the more you practice, the better you get, and a CNC machinist is no different. There are many benefits of choosing to be a CNC machinist too. First off, you're making a huge contribution to society. Your profession is literally making products that the world needs to survive. Pretty cool, huh? If that's not enough, you're also constantly challenging yourself in your position to become a more skilled worker and push things to the limit. But don't just take my word for it. We sat down with Kevin, a CNC machinist who works at Acme Industries, and he gave us an idea of what really goes on in the life of a CNC machinist and how his work impacts the world around us.
I decided to go into CNC machining based on the fact that I've always loved to build things and also enjoyed making things as a young child. So as I got older and were given the opportunity, I decided to get into this field. Some of the challenges I would say are precision products for the customers, holding tight tolerances, and also the work holding for, let's say, castings and forgings of that matter, because it's constantly changing. There is a lot of repetitive work, but there is also a lot of changeover involved. There are a lot of jobs available in the manufacturing industry right now. A lot of the stuff was sent overseas, and now they're trying to bring a lot of it back. So a lot of facilities are opening up shops, and the companies are expanding. And right now, we do definitely lack machinists in this field currently. Manufacturing is coming back, in my opinion, due to partially our president, and also a lot of the companies are trying to keep work in the States now to help all the local economies and the economy in general, instead of shipping it overseas. All right, the advice I would have to give is, if you want to be challenged, love understanding how parts and components work, have strong mechanical aptitude, good math skills, and enjoy working with people, CNC machining is a great choice for you.